Mukhang tulog na ang lahat. Hi! Hello? Pet? Hooray? Saan ka punta? Finally, I get your all attention mula pa po sa aking original na pagpapakilanlan. Ako po ay isang Pinoy na may puso at diwa. Pinoy na isinilang, hindi lang po isang bakla, kundi may sariling kasaysayan dito sa ating bansa dahil sa layo pa po ng aking pinanggalingan, pinaggawa at pinagdaanan. Nais ko pong imungkahi sa inyo na ako, bakla ako, pero hindi. Dahil ang baklang nasa inyong harapan ay isang tunay na diplomado, ay isang tunay na lingkod bayan. What a glamorous and spectacular evening, people of Barangay San Antonio. Hello, hi. Mabuhay. But first, would you allow me to introduce myself regarding of my credentials? No pain. It's all legitimate. I am Alexa Blythe, Malones David, and I am 24. And I'm proud because I graduated as a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino at IRIS, Manila. And I'm also proud because Madam and Sir, that I am legitimate, magna cum laude.
Wow!
Thank you so much. And I'm also proud because I am the first transgender who elected the newly incumbent Barangay SK Chairman of my beloved Barangay, which is Barangay Loyola Heights, Quezon City, Batson Night. Since this is the pageant, distinguished panel of educators, Madam and Sir, and to all audience tonight, let me stand by the name of your one and only, your favorite Binibining Pilipinas 2022 first runner-up, ang babaeng pinansagang hipon ng buong Pilipinas. Why don't you try to give some clap and make way to your one and only Binibining Herlin, Nicole Hipon Budol, na naniniwala ho sa kasabihang hindi ho bastos, hindi rin ho nakakatawa sapagkat ang ating mga hurado ay tunay na karespeto at edukado. Kaya sa mga naunang kandidata at sa mga susunod pa, paalala lamang po sa inyo na kung tunay kang maganda, syempre dapat may utak ka. Dahil ito ang tatak ng ikasampung kandidata. Judges, this is the battle of beauty and brain. Just try to test me because I'll give you the best show and a night that you will never, ever forget. Thank you and happy fiesta!